You ever come across something that you feel like, this is so good, I have to share it? That's what happened to me the other night. The other night, I didn't feel like cooking, but I'm glad I did because I discovered this really super delicious chickpea rice bowl, kind of like a cozy fall meal. So it was so good, I wanted to recreate it, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video, step by step, how to make this delicious, cozy rice bowl. I guess I say cozy because it's fall, I don't know. So I just grabbed these veggies right out of the fridge, so I'm going to chop them up and then do a quick saute and add in some chickpeas, so nothing fancy. So I just started chopping up what I had: zucchini, bell pepper, celery, onion, and a few mushrooms. I was really trying to figure out what to make for dinner, and somehow it turned into me cleaning out my refrigerator. That's what I love about this kind of meal. It's not planned, it's just some simple veggies, a grain, and a sauce. You can mix it up 100 ways depending on what you've got and how you feel like cooking. For this one, I'm sauteing everything, but you could also roast the same combo on a sheet pan. It's just as delicious. This kind of easy plant-based meal is perfect for busy nights, and it's a great way to use up what you've got. Next up, we'll saute the veggies. I'm starting with a little veggie broth to get things going. You could totally use water if you want. I had an open container of broth in the fridge, and I'd made rice with it earlier in the week, so I wanted to use it up. So then in go the onion, celery, and bell pepper. I give that a stir and let it cook for a few minutes until it starts to soften. If it starts to stick, just add another splash of broth or water. That's all you need. Then I'm adding in some zucchini since I had one, and some chopped up mushrooms. These are baby bellas, but you could also use whatever kind you like. And once the veggies start to soften, I tossed in a little bit of jalapeno just for a touch of spice, but honestly because I wanted to use it up before it went bad. Give this a stir and let everything cook together for a few minutes. Now I'm adding in 2 cans of chickpeas. You could use only one, but I like to make extra for leftovers. Chickpeas are one of my favorite plant-based proteins. They're full of fiber and they really help you keep you full and satisfied. A lot of people ask, how do you actually use beans in everyday meals? This is such an easy way. Just toss them in with your veggies for a quick, healthy, plant-based dinner. Then I'll add in some garlic powder, tamari, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and give it a good stir so all the flavors come together. And I like to finish it with a squeeze of fresh lime. It adds brightness and pulls everything together. Next, I'm adding in my wild rice. I actually made it earlier in the week, and that's one of the best parts of meal prep. When you've already had your rice cooked, this comes together in about 15 minutes. I like switching up my grains sometimes, so I usually use brown rice, but I wanted to try something different this time, and I really liked it. You can totally use whatever you have: brown rice, quinoa, white rice, or even microwave rice. It all works. Then I tossed in some scallions for a little color and freshness. I'm just going to let the chickpea and rice mixture warm through for a couple minutes while I make the tahini sauce to finish it off. That's one of my favorite parts. The sauce really pulls everything together. For the sauce, I'm whisking together some tahini with both lemon and lime juice, a little garlic, salt and pepper, and I just added a splash of water to thin it out until it's smooth and creamy. If you have both the lemon and the lime, the flavor together is really bright and fresh, but if you only have one or the other, that works great too. And since I already used the lime in the veggies, it's just a nice way to use the rest of it up. It's simple, flavorful, and ties the whole dish together. Now I'm just plating it up, adding the chickpeas and rice, a drizzle of that tahini sauce, and a few scallions on top to finish. So the next time you don't feel like cooking, just remember you can just grab whatever veggies you have in the refrigerator, throw them in a pan with some chickpeas and some grains, and you'll have a delicious, healthy rice bowl. And then you'll be glad that you cooked. All right, let me give this a try. So good. The tahini sauce is so delicious. Tastes a little bit of the jalapeno. This makes great leftovers. If you want the full recipe, it's linked down below in the description. And if you try it, let me know how it turns out. I love to hear your variations. See you next time for another easy plant-based meal.